see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Tapos isa naman. Ayan, magkaiba siya, oh. Tayo dito. Oh, eto maganda rin to. Ang cute. Lang ulit. Quality control, Johnny Boy. Good morning, guys. Last day na namin dito kila Race, and kinuha ko lang ito kasi may iwan. Nilagay na namin lahat ng gamit, and yung mga kids nakakain ng breakfast. Pinakain na ni Race. Kasi ako nag-impake, ako naglagay ng mga gamit sa car. And ngayon, kakain kami ni Race kasi tapos na yung mga baka. Ha? Are you done eating breakfast? Is it yummy? Okay. Hi, Kuya. Ayan. Ayan, kain na kami. Ito yung breakfast ng mga bata. Oh. So, kain na kami ni Race. Good morning, Race. Hindi ata.
No, it's not over there.
So it's from the neighbor?
No, not that one or that one, just over there.
Kuya, don't point that.
So what, they kick it in? Really?
Are you sure?
Yeah, Dad saw it.
Kasi may foot table na. Akala ni Race sa amin, hindi pala. Ayan, kain na kami, guys. Guys, say see you to Tita Race. Cuddle Tita Race now. You're not gonna see Tita's first.
That's alright. I'll see you soon, okay? I'll see you soon.
Baba, Tita Race.
You're gonna leave me, Baba?
Alright, Polly,
You're gonna leave me?
Polly,
I'll see you soon, okay?
See you in 3 weeks.
Will you miss me?
Halik, Tita Race, halik.
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 Come on.
Bye, thank you so much. See you in 3 weeks.
Oo nga.
Alis kami, guys. Melbourne kami. Kami talaga hindi nagsasawa sa isa't isa. I'll see you, Baba. Bye. I'll see
Mommy's
you.
not coming. She's staying here.
Yeah, I'm staying here. Be good to Daddy, ha? Be good. I love you, Baba. I will miss you. Bye.
Watch out, watch out. Watch.
Watch out. Okay, go to Daddy now.
Tuwad ka dyan.
I love you. I love you. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you again. Yes. Again. Quick.
What's this one?
Bye. Okay. Yan guys, nakaalis na kayo sa bahay nila Race. Mag-isa na lang doon si Race. Asing magiging tahimik naman yung bahay niya. And thank you Race and Daan sa pag-accommodate sa amin for 6 nights and 7 days. Yes?
I'm doing this.
Nag-extend kasi si Jan nga, may appointment siya na ano naman talaga yung appointment niya, pero na-extend kasi appointment ulit siya kasi sa isang doktor para sa kanyang tuhod. So yun, and balik ulit si Jan sa, when you gonna come back here? July 26. Balik ulit siya dito kasi may appointment siya na lang. Hindi kami sasama kasi in 3 weeks mag-Melbourne kami kasama sila Race. Pero sila Race pupunta muna sa mag-stop sila for 1 night, then sa bahay Webes yun, then Friday alis kami, punta kami ng Melbourne. So yun guys, ayun yung mga bata. Si Kuya dinala niya yung drawing book na yan from yeah, Tower Hotel. Dinala niya. Si Sak hindi niya dinala kay Ayan.
We left his at the pub.
Yeah, nakikinood siya. Si Holly okay lang, busy siya sa kanyang Smiggle. Right, Baba? Did you say good morning?
Yes.
Say good morning, people.
Where's my jumper?
At the back. Daddy said you don't need it. So, time check is 9:30. So, makakarating kami sa bahay.
You have the 12.
Mga 2:30 or 3. Today is July 11. Wow, ang bilis, no? Almost kalahating buwan na naman. So, mamaya na lang, guys. Ayan si Johnny Boy.
Finish.
Ayan si Kuya. Busy lang.
Crossword.
Guys, tingnan nyo yung weather. Kalalabas lang namin sa tunnel. And, ayan. Magiging masama talaga yung weather today. Tsaka bukas. Until Saturday, right, ha? the weather.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait, I think.
All week daw. Simula
Yeah, Baba, I'm
ngayon.
driving, darling. Look
Wait,
at it.
Baba. Daddy's driving. Daddy need to focus, Baba. Ayan o. So, dun sa amin, ang lakas daw. Nagtumbahan nga yung mga signs nasa kalsada. Nakita niyo dyan sa Facebook. So, ayan. Lakas ng ulan, lakas ng hangin.
But that's going through.
Can't see nothing.
Ayan. Pero si Jan, mahilig yan mag-drive pag maulan. Well, Han, you like to drive when it's raining.
Oh, beautiful.
Gusto niya talaga mag-drive pag maulan. Pero wag naman sana ganitong yung fog, yung parang wala kang makita. Yan, parang gabi na, pa lang, 9:46. Update guys, eto, kumakain kami ng killer pythons. Ayan, nabili to ni Jan sa Foodland kahapon nung pumunta kami nila Race. Yung dalawa, tingnan nyo. Hoy! And dito sa areang to, medyo mainit, hindi umuulan. Kanina di ba ang pangit ng weather? Ayan. Maganda dito, oh. Hindi siya masyadong... Ay, hindi nga siya umulan dito ata para kasi tuyo yung yung road. Time check is 10:45. I'm losing my voice. I don't know why. Siguro sa kanila. Papa! Put your seatbelt, please. Ayos ko lang yung seatbelt ni Holly. Ayan na siya, oh. What are you having, Papa? Snake! Snake! Let me see your snake. Okay.
We can only swallow the snack at 80.
What's that, Zach? What did you say? Itong sarap nito, guys. Alam niyo naman, lagi namin itong kinakain. Laging baon namin ito sa sa road trip. Ayan, ang ulo.
What? Where?
Pangalawa na namin to, guys. Malakas dito si John, as in, maubos niya to. Dalawa pa nga siguro bag na ganito, na siya lang. Kaya niyang ubusin. Kaya nag-stop lang kami dito para mag-stretch si John sa kanyang tooth kasi medyo sumasakit. And dito kami sa isang station, parang gasolinahan siya. Merong shop din. Before it, meron akong crab stick. Ang sarap din itong crab stick.
Holly needs to drink the water bottle.
Yeah. Bumili kayo ng tubig. Thank you. Open it for her, please.
And you can.
Okay. Thanks, Doc.
Scoot up.
Yeah. Don't spill it, Baba. So, yeah. Kain muna tayong snack lang. Pero mamaya kuka tayo ng chicken. Sarap.
Mom, do
Sarap
you
nga,
have stuffing in here?
Ang init ko. Ha?
There's stuffing in here.
What's that?
What's that?
Don't forget
What's that
the...
blood in there?
Where is
What's
it?
that red stuff?
What would it be? The little green thing?
The green. Yeah, the green. The last bag that I gave you before we left.
Mom, what's that red stuff?
That's the crab stick, Baba.
What's the red stuff?
Crab stick.
What's the red?
That's the crab. May red kasi. Yan yung...
What, the shell?
No, it's not the shell. It's just the color of the crab. The meat.
Mom.
Thank you. Kunin ko yung head. Ito ba? Headphone.
Headphones.
Yeah.
Mom,
Thank you. Ayan, lunchtime, 12:10. Dito na kami sa Keith and kuha kami ng
Mom,
paborito namin na chicken.
Mom, that
Diyan
is
sa shop na yan.
destroyed. That's
Okay, come on, let's go, boys. Hold Mommy's hand, Holly. Here. Ang lamig. Say, malamig. No. No, you're not. It's only... Umiiyak siya kasi gusto niya ng lollies agad. What do you want, Sa? Ha? Ayan, gusto ni Sa ko. Last time wala to dito. And kay John, ham salad, sandwich. Ito kay Hold this for Daddy. Oh. This is for Daddy. You can share, you can share.
salad.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a salad. Come on, let's go. Mag-order tayo ng chicken dyan. Oh. Umiiyak Umiiyak kasi siya. Gusto niya ng lollies later. Okay? Daddy's still outside. Sag, stay here. Daddy will be here soon. Daddy will be here soon. Ayan si daddy niya. Umiiyak siya kasi gusto niya nga ng lollies doon no, sa gilid. Ayan yung kinuha namin yung $17.10. Hintayin lang namin yung order namin. Did you wash your hands? Okay. Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Just wipe alcohol.
Yeah, I ordered the chicken.
When alcohol will be ready.
Yeah.
Family? Oh. What's the t-shirt?
Oh, wait, I have to wash your hands, Papa.
This one's covered.
Good job, Holsa. Sharing is... Sharing is... Papa, wash your hands, Papa.
Flow.
Sinisipon si Holly. Baba, here's your ano.
What do you sip at him?
Wash your hands, Baba. Baba. Baba, wash your hands first. Wash your hands first. Yeah, here. Oh, wash your hands.
Hey, I got the glove one.
Okay, rub, Baba, please.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Just give it once.
What you gonna say to Kuya? What you gonna say? What you gonna say to Kuya?
Dad, can I do this? Dad, can I open this and do this? Dad, can I do this? Oh, it's so good.
Oh, you like that, sweetie pie? That's big. Oh, my love. That's big, sweetie pie. Just tell you, Jane, you don't have to leave my own door. Fish air.
I want to do that way. I do that way. Number one, okay.
I passed on.
Huh?
That's fine.
Okay. So, ito na yung ating lunch. Ayun. Ano, eat. Ayun, may sipon siya, oh. Ay. Ayaw niya magpatali ng buhok. Eh, maubos niya na yung ano niya, oh, sushi niya. And ay, madali na rin sa kanya maubos. And si Kuya, favorite part is Thai. Sarap na sarap si Sako. Last time, wala yan dito. Hinanap niya yan before. Doon sa fridge, wala yan. So, ayan ngayon. Nag-crave talaga siya dyan. Favorite niya yan.
Game over.
And meron pa siya dyan na chips. Ayan, meron pa siya dyan na chips saka chicken. What's that, Sa? Yeah. Ayan, tapos na kayo kumain ng lunch. And si Holly kumuha na ng TikTok. Binili ng daddy niya. Tigi-isa sila, oh. What you got, Kuya? Orange? Gum? How about you, Sa? Watermelon. What you got? Let me see. Pink. Okay, come on, let's go. Ayan, drive na ulit kami, guys. Tapos na kayo mag-lunch. Time check is 12:39. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Tapos parang feeling ko nawawalan ako ng boses.
Look, take that.
And ini-enjoy na nila yung TikTok. Yung kay kuya pala, tropical.
I'm not, it says gum cool tropical.
Okay, how about Zachary? What you got?
Watermelon. Wait, what does it say?
What did you get, Baba?
Pink. It said watermelon turned to cool lime flavor.
Lime flavor. So, ano siya? TikTok siya. Si Holly Berry's TikTok yung kanya. Pero yung kay Kuya Gam. Can I have some?
Yeah.
Can I try? Yes, please.
But you need two because
Okay.
it's not bad. I'll just give you one first.
Give me 2 now, please. You're gonna give me one. Okay. Thank you, Kuya. Give me, please. Give me one,
Sweetie,
please.
don't spill them, Baba.
Gusto niya rin daw akong bigyan.
Don't laugh at us, Zachary.
Give me one.
Go, Liz.
And then hello.
Go now.
Holly, give it to Zach.
Give it to Zach, Baba. I cannot reach it, Baba.
Yeah, but
Hurry up.
to Zach.
Give it to Zach so Zach can give it to me. Thank you. So, ayan yung kanyang. Oh, thanks, Baba. Ito kay Holly, kay Kuya, and kay Zach. Kay Zach, is it just regular TikTok, Zach? Okay. Etong orange chewy. So, ayan.
Eat the other. Oh, what?
No, I saved yours, huh?
Oh,
Sarap.
what do it taste together?
It's yummy. And yung gamit kong lipstick, yung binili namin,
Chewing that one, mate.
binili namin sa
Wait, Holly, I can't.
Randall Mall sa Priceline. Nakalimutan ko yung shade niya. Asan yun? So, ito yung Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink na. Ang shade is Artist. Ayan, oh. Kumain ako ng chicken, breakfast. Andiyan pa rin siya, guys. Ang pimples ko, oh. So, ayan.
Yeah, and me too. I saved it.
Pero yung kay Kuya, tama yung kay Kuya, oh.
What's bigger?
Pero can I have another one, please?
Oh, God.
Yes, please. Isa lang yung binigay. Sarap.
No, Zach.
Hurry up, Kuya. Give me 2, please, Kuya.
Alright.
Hurry up, Kuya.
Mom, this is the last one.
Yeah. No, cut this.
Zach!
Okay, thank you. No, thank you, Harvey. Thank you.
CJ, give me one, hurry up.
Give him one, please, Kuya.
Jesus Christ.
I gave him one.
No, you haven't yet.
Yes, he did. He did. And I give him another one.
Ah, you swap.
Right,
Good job. Yan guys, bahay na kami. Hi, Papa. Ang lamig. I-on muna natin yung heater. Ha? Yeah. On muna natin yung yung heater ba? Kasi yung fire namin,
No, I gotta go do one. I'm gonna put it here.
on. Ano mangyari? On muna natin yan. Kasi yan, sisindihan to ni Jan. Ayan, sindihan yan ni Jan. Sobrang lamig dito. So, yun na yung vlog, guys. Nung nagda-drive kami, ang daming mga puno. May nakuha akong ibang clips na yung mga puno nagsitumbahan kasi sobrang hangin na parang dinuduyan yung car. Pero hindi na siya ganong kalakas yung ulan. Tulad nung kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo nung lumabas kami sa tunnel from Adelaide. Hindi na siya ganong kalakas na ulan. Papa, say we're home! We're home! So, yun na guys yung vlog natin. Bukas ulit. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Say bye, Papa. Say bye, people. We're home. Danielle and
Daan,
Dolosa.
Mendoza,
Marisa
Malaysia,
Seva.
Seva,
April Lee
Effie,
Olalo
Alalo,
Almasan.
Masan,
Alvin
Avin,
Ginto.
Tinto,
Kisha
Isha,
Kisha
Isha,
Almuete.
Anna,
Ayan, okay na yun. Ganyan lang. Ayan, maliliit na coconut milk. Meron pa ako doon yung ginagamit ko pa nag-brownies ako. Yan, ang fresh ng bread nila dito.